it's not a poon. Listen. Spoon. Placing emphasis on a specific word or sound to help it better stand out, be more noticeable, and make it easier for the child to hear is called acoustic highlighting. Sometimes, children who have hearing loss may not hear a specific sound in a word. By prolonging that sound, we are making the sound more audible. That is, easier for the child to hear. This will ultimately help them learn to produce the word using the correct speech sounds. Acoustic highlighting can also be used to highlight a specific grammatical structure being targeted. If the child says, monkey jumping, we may highlight the missing word by changing our intonation. You're right, the monkey is jumping. Sometimes, a child may miss a key word in a direction. You may say, please give me the blue plate, and the child gives you the red one. In this situation, the parent may choose to bring awareness to the key word that was missed, the color, by acoustically highlighting it. Please give me the blue plate. Another way we can acoustically highlight a specific sound that a child may not be producing correctly is by whispering it. It may sound silly. How can whispering a sound help a child who is deaf to hear it better? But the truth is that any time we change our voice, whether it be by changing our intonation, holding out a sound just a little longer, or by whispering it, we're making it easier for the child to hear the sound. We're also helping the child pay closer attention to the sound they hear and make listening for that sound more interesting for the child. So remember, don't forget to highlight to help them hear it right.